And what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. As you know, we're always out here doing all kinds of awesome stuff, all kinds of cool things, and all kinds of fun installs. But as you guys can already tell by the thumbnail, today is not so much of an exciting, awesome, or cool video. She's gone. Fusion is no more. I have been actually dreading this video for coming up on 2 months now. We were involved in an accident and I'm healthy, I'm good, didn't get any injuries, and neither did the other person that I was involved in the accident with. But the car is done. Car is totaled. It was totaled out immediately. There was extensive damage. You can't really tell by the pictures I'll be showing pretty soon here, but it was very bad. It was very bad. And like I said, I've been dreading to make this video for quite a while now because it's sad. I really wanted to keep her, but just logically, financially, it wouldn't be possible or even smart to attempt to try to rebuild her and bring it back to how we were. But rather than talk you guys' ear off and tell you about the story, I might as well show you. I have dash camera footage. All the vehicles have dash cameras. The truck, the Jaguar, the wife's car, and of course the Fusion. They all have dash cameras, and I'm a firm believer of dash cams, especially for this case. It's been about 2 months now. Been waiting for the insurance to get all nice and done, get the refund check from the total loss of the car, which it was paid off thankfully, but nonetheless I'm still not happy. But with the dash camera footage, it made the process go so much quicker because they were going to have to go through a whole investigation to try to figure out who was at fault and all that stuff. And literally all I had to do was just send them the dash cam footage, and the very next day they accept full liability. Within the next couple of weeks, few weeks, they started the process, the paperwork to give me the final value of the Fusion and then all the details and how and when I'll get my checks. Without further ado, let me go ahead and show you some videos and some pictures of the accident. Dang it! Gosh dang it. Shit. hurts me. It hurts me so much, to be honest. Oh my god, still can't believe it happened. Happened so quick, as you guys saw. Tried to swerve and miss him. Oh look, the light bulbs are salvageable. Hit him on this side. Stuck up underneath him. Actually, I jumped on top of him. As you can see, all that's dented. And he dragged me over to the wall and ripped the tire right off the wheel. Right off the freaking wheel. Broke the dang control arms. Everything snapped off. These may be good. I managed to salvage as much as I could. That's about it. There's the rest of her. Oh, there's all more parts back here. Everything was just in such good condition. Door doesn't even sit right. It hurts me. It hurts me. I keep saying that, guys, but it hurts me a lot. But on to the next one, I guess. And I had a full tank of gas. Just hit filled up. This is the last place she'll be. Never been so upset in my life, guys. I still don't know what to do. Everything Avery. I ain't one to cry, but this sure dang gets me close. I'm not gonna lie. Can't even get both fog lights. One's destroyed. Only have one. Ain't even worth it. Nope. Get a good look at it, guys. It's probably the last look you'll see of it. Beyond frustrated, to say the least, again. But I got what I could get. That's it. That's it. And with that, guys, you've now seen all the details, seen the video, seen some after pictures. Pretty much, again, I'm not happy whatsoever. But I'm going to try to paint this in the most positive light I possibly can. The guy's okay. I'm okay. It's just a car. It's just a vehicle. Can be replaced. This may be an opportunity for me to put me in a position where I can soon get my dream car. That's the goal. Paint this in a positive light. Figure out how I can use this opportunity to get closer and closer to having my dream car in this garage. If you guys don't know what my dream car is, if you know me personally, you automatically know exactly what it is. I have a bunch of Easter eggs in all my videos you guys may or may not have seen. The one, newest and the biggest one, you can see behind me here. Big poster. Gift from the wife back on Valentine's Day. Yeah, as you can see, Dodge Viper. That is the dream car. That is the goal of the vehicle that I want to have on this channel and in this garage as soon as I possibly can, to be quite honest. The Fusion is obviously not as much as a Viper. I'm not going to get anywhere near as enough for a Viper, but my plans are to use this money to maybe find myself a commuter car, something really cheap, really affordable, extremely great gas mileage so I can use it to commute to work and whatnot. And then with the rest of that money, use it to put towards this guy here, the truck, the only vehicle that I have a current car note on. Pay it off so that then, hopefully in the near future, I will be able to actually make a good down payment and purchase the car of my dreams, the Gen 5 Dodge Viper once again. So I have little things like this all around down here in the garage. Up in the bedroom, I have a little car stand over there. Because that has been my lifelong dream, is to own one. So again, trying to be as positive as I possibly can in this negative situation. That's what I'm keeping my mind on. That's what I'm going for. That's what I'm going to keep pushing to. Other than that, guys, I want you to make sure you stay tuned. Yes, we don't have the Fusion. I'm extremely sad. You guys are probably sad too. But that doesn't mean it's the end of the channel. That doesn't mean it's the end of cool things we're going to be doing. Like I said, we're going to find another car. I don't know what it's going to be quite yet, but we're going to find another car. Of course, we're going to do a lot more to this truck now and a lot more to the Jag. But again, you got to stay tuned so you don't miss out. Can't wait to see what we got coming up next. I don't know what we got coming up next, but it's going to be something good and awesome. Thank you again for watching Everything Avery. See y'all in the next one.